Hey guys, welcome to Old SmokinSteve's. Haven't made any videos here for a while. Been doing some other things, been busy with some other things. But we're going to be getting back in the swing of cooking up some stuff and having some different methods and menus on here for you. And we're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going boating. That's right, we're going out here on the Sarasota Bay and do a little bit of exploring and check out some of the islands. And we're going to be going out on a boat from time to time and have a few videos on here just to show you the sights and how beautiful the water is and stuff. So let's get out of this garb. Grab that sunscreen, those sunglasses, your favorite drink, and follow me. We're going boating. Here we have Marina Jacks restaurant, the building there with all the glass, and out in front of it is the field dock where all the boats refuel their boats. The wife and I are over here at Bayfront Park, just right across from Marina Jacks, and we're kind of scanning the area here so you can take a look at it. That's downtown Sarasota there, where a lot of high-rise condos are and office buildings and whatnot. And there's the restaurant once again with the fuel pumps out front. And as we scan along here, we're looking at a lot of nice looking boats. And down at the end there is the boat club. And this is the Bayfront Park where we're standing. And it's really a nice park and nice views. And this is Captain Evan, the guy in charge of Suntex Boat Club here in Sarasota. And he's a super nice guy. And the boat club is really affordable. And just give Captain Evan a call and he'll fix you right up and give you the best deal going. And be sure to tell him that SmokinSteve sent you. Okay, we just left Marina Jacks and headed towards Lido Beach. We're moving along here at a pretty good clip. It's a beautiful day, about 84 degrees out, and the water's beautiful. So we're heading towards Lido, South Lido Nature Park. Okay, we just set anchor here at the South Lido Nature Park, and I hope you can tell on the screen how beautiful this water is. It's just a beautiful turquoise, and this is a small beach here at the edge of the nature park where people like to come and hang out. You can get to it by boat, or there's a big parking lot inland there where you can get to it. And on down there at the end, there's a bunch of picnic tables and nice places to hang out. And once in a while you see a lot of people fishing from the shoreline there. And right across the water there is Bay Island, which is a pretty good sized island. Just a beautiful day out here. We're kind of kicked back, having a drink and just relaxing. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull the anchor up and head back towards the marina and fuel it up and dock her back up. Okay, after we left South Lido Nature Park, we decided to go on out into the Sarasota Bay and take a trip around there and go back to the marina. So right now we're headed back to the marina. The marina's up here. See that bridge up ahead? We're going to be going underneath that, and then the marina is to the left. Really catching some waves here now. Wow, whoa. Better slow her down there, Sizzling Suze. Okay. Slowed her down. We're evening out now. Looking good. Okay, as we pan over here to the left, you can see downtown Sarasota. A lot of the high-rise condos and businesses there. We're headed for this bridge here, and we'll be going underneath that and just going up a little ways to the left and stopping for fuel there at Marina Jacks and going ahead and docking her back up at the boat club. So all in all, it's been a pretty good day, pretty nice trip, nice weather, 84 degrees, no rain, plenty of sunshine, just a perfect day. Okay, if you're in a car and going across this bridge up here and going across to the right, you'd run into St. Armand's Circle straight ahead, and then Lido Beach on past St. Armand's Circle, and to the right of St. Armand's Circle would be Longboat Key. Okay guys, just got back from our boat ride here and back home now. Hope you enjoyed being out on the water with us. We really had a good time, and we're going to get that grill fired up and be cooking some more stuff, and be sure to be watching for some more cooks and even some more boat rides. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.